Today, we will be exploring the ASUS TUF A18 gaming laptop, a powerhouse built for gamers, creators, and anyone who needs top-tier performance. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the link to this laptop in the description below. The first thing you'll notice is its stunning 18-inch WUXGA display with a 144Hz refresh rate, delivering buttery-smooth visuals and immersive clarity that brings games and creative projects to life. Whether you are gaming in fast-paced AAA titles or editing videos, the adaptive GSYNC ensures no screen tearing and ultra-fluid motion for every frame. Under the hood, this laptop is equipped with the brand new AMD Ryzen 7 260 processor, outperforming even the Intel i9-13905H in multiple benchmarks. Paired with the NVIDIA RTX 5060 GPU, it handles heavy gaming, rendering, and AI-accelerated tasks effortlessly. With 64GB of RAM and a massive 4TB PCIe SSD, load times are incredibly fast, multitasking is seamless, and you get ample storage for all your projects. The laptop also stays cool under pressure thanks to upgraded thermal technology, which means longer gaming sessions without throttling. For connectivity and convenience, it includes a backlit RGB keyboard, Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB-C, and Wi-Fi 6E, making it a modern workstation and gaming hub in one. The FHD webcam allows for high-quality streaming or meetings, while its portability replaces bulky desktops without sacrificing performance. It's not perfect. Its 18-inch size is larger than typical laptops, so it's less compact for travel, but the performance gains outweigh the size for serious users. If you want a laptop that can game, create, and multitask without compromise, this is the one to consider. Don't miss out on owning this beast. Check the link in the description below to grab your ASUS TUF A18 today.